Nice.
Masha and the bear. Channel YouTube Ruangtabroni. Masha and the bear. Let's draw together. Masha and the bear. Follow each process in this drawing. Masha and the bear. Draw slowly. If it's too fast, please stop, then continue. Masha and the bear. Follow each step in the drawing process. Masha and the bear. Don't forget subscribe, like and share. Drawing is finished.
Nice.
Thank you. Welcome to see you again.